The Vevox ranking poll type is ideal if you wish for your participants to rank options by preference, so you can see what really resonates with your audience. It's also a really great way to rank options in a particular correct order if you're adding any kind of quizzing element to your meeting, your event, your lecture, or your training session. In your Vevox dashboard, go ahead and create a new session. Start your Vevox session and then press Create New. Click the drop down arrow here and then head over to the ranking poll type. From here you can see that there are two different options for the ranking question type: by preference or in correct order. Let's start off with the option by preference. Once you've created your ranking poll question, you can head over to the Vevox Present view and open your polling question. Joining instructions are over on the left-hand side, so your audience can start to participate. Your audience can then select up to 4 choices in order of preference and then press the Send button. Once the votes are in, you can then close your polling question and find out your audience's preferences. For the use in quizzing, set a correct order for the choices and ask your participants to arrange them in order. Here's a couple of examples as to how you can use this in the business world and also for education. The ranking question type also works really well in surveys or in a self-paced quiz. That's it from me. I hope this video was nice and useful. If you need any further help with the ranking question type, just email us at support@vevox.com and one of the team will be able to help you out.